Welcome again, my dear students of class 8. Today we will continue the lesson 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. But before that, let's see how the first part ended with. Lanthoi, a 12-year-old girl, was to represent the Siroi Lily House as a speaker in the symposium at her school on the topic God created man and woman as equals. She wanted her parents to spend some time to have a discussion with her. Her mother is a journalist and women's rights activist. Her father is a lawyer and social worker who advocates the cause of women. He is a very supportive husband who helps her wife in the household. Due to her father sharing the household activities, her mother is a successful professional. Because of her father, her mother feels no difference or inequality at home. Mother feels very happy that Lanthoi also understands that there is no gender inequality in her house and their home is full of love. So, dear children, we'll continue with the lesson. Her father's words are still ringing in the ears of Lanthoi, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her, appreciative of her husband for his views. Children, here appreciative means feeling or showing gratitude or pleasure. Your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by man. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. But outside our home, I have seen the women have been subjugated in many ways. It is against the will of God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally, to share His blessings and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. This is what your topic means. Ashang knows well that men and women are equal. Women, who are half of the human race, areas important as man. She writes and talks about such topics. Her daughter, through a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. She says, our home is full of love with you, mother. Here the meaning of bounty, a sum paid for killing or capturing a person or animal. The mother beams with joy at the words of her daughter. As a matter of fact, mother is a fountain of love in a family. Children, everybody know. You have seen the fountain of water. So like this, our mother is also in our family like a fountain. This bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. the all the good qualities who is having a mother. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Here the meaning of glorify means praise. Show deep affection. Ashangbi continues. Pioneer women testify to the equality of women with man. Actually, life is not possible without both woman and man. Yes, children, in life, both woman and man are very important in the family. Lanthoi has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queen like Linthoi Gambi and Kurangayani, who were as brave as kings. There were also many brave women among the common people. These women, as her grandmother narrated, were maker of home, family, society, and the nation. They were civilizing influences. At the same time, they were also adventurers who claimed that shares in free land, plucked and raised crop with their own hand. Modern woman has become mountaineering, naturalist, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. Nowadays, you can find that all the women, we are in all the field, we all are working. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and that woman and man created as equal. Then she asked her mother further, Mother, you have thrown light on the equality of man and woman, and also have emphasized that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know it there are moral, social and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from suppression. Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Ashangbi adds, there are many under the aging of the United Nations. There is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimension. Here the meaning of emphasize is give special importance or value to something in speaking or writing. The meaning of legal is related to law, and civilizing means educating. So, in this, the first equal access to basic social service, including health and education, every participation in political and economic decision making, equal reward for equal work. There should be equal if men and women both are working in together field, equal reward should be get. Elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Then the mother concluded, my dear daughter, we can affirm along with the United Nations the men and women are equal. So children, Lanthoi understand what her mother means and what the topic of the Symposiums means thus confident of success. The next day, after thanking her mother, the girl of 12 happily rushed out of the room in the bright morning sun. So, children, she understood the meaning, what she has to do for the topic. The blue sky made the range of the eastern mountain. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trail which wind up the distant purple mountain. So children, by this she have learned. Her parents explain him the meaning and she knows what she has to do. Here the meaning of fascinated means strongly attracted and interested. So by this we have finished with the lesson. Now we'll move to our assignment. As in the last class, I have given you passage 1 and 2. Now passage 3, you have to write the question answers and you have to write personal response. You have to write your own views. Do you find gender equality in your family? You have to write at least in 4-5 sentences you have to write. And the fourth passage, you have to write the question answers in your English copy. Children, you have to write according to the lessons. I hope that you have understood this lesson thoroughly. Thank you.